Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'm going to do the detail of our exterior wall. So I already cutted our detail for the exterior wall. I cut it from this particular part and I put it over here. So let's start. Let's choose our command for putting an arrow in a text. So first of all, here we have a facade render. Next, we have our exterior brick wall. Then we have our isolation. Next, we have our stuck frame. Then we have our gips board finished. Finally, we have our stud stall plate. And on the other side, we're going to rename it all of the elements for our flooring. So first of all, we have a steel framing. Then we have our wooden floor. Next, we have our isolation. Then we have our stuck. And finally, we have our gips isolation. Okay, now let me just organize my text. I'm going to press Ctrl+1 and select all of the text and put the same values that we are using in the previous video. Okay, let's close this, and now just organize my text by moving it. You can move your text by selecting them and click on this right angle. That looks very good. Now on the other side, and finally, let me just put a much higher value for our arrows. Let me select all of them again, press Ctrl+1 and add a value for our arrows. And that is it, we are finished for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.